Alright guys, what's up YouTube? This is a quick recap for another case of 2011 Tier 1 that I just did. Had a really good case, fun break. I'm going to showcase the parallels and all the hits by team. The Phillies hit a Cliff Lee out of 199. The Blue Jays hit Roberto Alomar and Jose Bautista. Blue parallels 199. The Royals hit this Danny Duffy autograph out of 999. Indians with this Alex White autograph out of 999. Padres with this Anthony Rizzo autograph out of 999. The Mariners, Carlos Peguero out of 999 autograph. The Marlins with this Ricky Nolasco crowd pleaser autograph out of 699. Red Sox with this crowd pleaser autograph of Carl Crawford. The Orioles with this Cal Ripken Jr. back card out of 399. Dodgers with the Sandy Koufax jersey card here out of 399. And we got the Nationals here with the Jordan Zimmerman autograph out of 999 and a Drew Storen autograph out of 699. Then we got the Twins here with the Danny Valencia autograph out of 999 and a Paul Molitor jersey card out of 399. Angels with the Jared Weaver jersey out of 399 and a Mark Trumbo autograph out of 399. And the Tigers hit this Johnny Peralta autograph out of 699, crowd pleaser. And a Ty Cobb dual back card out of 99. Got a lot of nice Hall of Famers in this case. Then we have a Brandon Geyer for the Rays out of 999 autograph. And a BJ Upton crowd pleaser autograph out of 75 for the Rays. Very nice card. Then the Giants out of 199, Brian Wilson, my fault, out of 199, and Buster Posey, blue parallel as well, and Brandon Belt, nice autograph there, out of 699. Then you got Hank Aaron out of 199 for the Braves. Brian McCann. This is Brian McCann out of 399. And a Brandon Beachy autograph out of 999. Then you got the Reds with the Johnny Bench blue out of 199 and a Jay Bruce blue out of 199 as well. And the crowd pleaser autograph with Johnny Cueto out of 699. Now onto the Oakland A's. Had this Reggie Jackson black parallel out of 50. And this Jimmy Fox black parallel out of 50. And this Eric Sogard autograph out of 999. Onto the Braves. Braves hit a Stan Musial blue out of 199. Kobe Rasmus autograph out of 999, or 349 actually. It's numbered out of 349. And then an Alan Craig autograph out of 999. And the Cardinals also hit the Stan Musial bat out of 399. Then on to the Yankees. The Yankees hit this Robinson Cano purple parallel out of 25. Eduardo Nunez autograph out of 999. Hector Noesi out of 999 autograph. Ricky Henderson top shelf relic redemption. They hit a Lou Gehrig back card out of 399. Very nice card. And they hit this Reggie Jackson jersey card out of 399. And the last hit for the Yankees Beautiful Reggie Jackson autograph out of 99. Very beautiful autograph right there. Nice bold on-card auto. Can't get much better than that. And then last we have the Mets. Had this Josh Stoll autograph out of 9.99. Carlos Beltran dual jersey out of 99. And my favorite hit of the case, number 2 out of 10, David Wright jumbo patch. Very beautiful card, beautiful patch. I love these things. That was the Tier 1 recap. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like the video, subscribe, comment, all the above. Have a good day, guys. Thanks.